Good morning, welcome to Gorilla Hammers. Today we're going to be working on a GXS90 to prep it for delivery. We'll be removing the tool retainers and installing a new tool bit. The tools you'll need: a small screwdriver to pull the rubber plugs out, a punch to knock out the stop pin and plug, and a magnet to lift the tool retainers, but you can do that from the bottom if you don't have a magnet. So to start, we remove the rubber plugs from the body. The main purpose of these is to keep dirt and debris out of the housing so that you don't wear out your pads too early. And on the left side of the breaker, the pressure side, there is a rubber plug that keeps the stop pin in. Now I've already pulled this out and loosened it a little bit, so you can either loosen that with a screwdriver or knock it out from the other side with a punch. So once that's out of there, the pin goes through holes in the tool retainers. So if you see that, there's a hole on the top and the bottom. So we can flip this upside down, left or right. They're reversible. So as you're pulling this pin out, oops, like I said, with it on the machine, you can just pick the machine up a little bit, and there's another set of rubber plugs underneath where you can push these retainers up from the bottom if you don't have a magnet. So here's the pin and plug and the two retainers. So when we grease the tool bit, you always want to use Gorilla Glue, special chisel paste. We want to grease the sides of the tool bit, never the top. The top stays dry. You grease the sides that touch the tool retainers and the bushings. Okay. Now we put them back together in the opposite direction. You will have to line this up a little bit with the pin. It can be a little tricky getting the tool to line up correctly. There we go. Okay, that lines in all the way. And you see the top of these tool retainers will be flush with the body inside there. If you want to zoom in to show them. That's the top of the actual hammer, so both of those are in. And when you look in this side hole, you can see that there's actually threads in there, and the threads are what catch on the rubber plug. So you carefully reach in. Get that rubber plug started in there. Large diameter part facing out. Then you take your hammer and punch. It should go in past the last thread. Zoom in there, get a good look at it. And then that's it. You put your rubber plugs back in the sides and on the top, and the tool bit's been changed.